how to create a poll on Instagram story. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our story right here, the plus button, and then click on camera. Now, once we're on camera, all we have to do is tap on this create button right here. Now, once we're on create, let's click on the sticker button right here. Now, you can add various things to your story. You can add location, mention, or add pictures and frames from other. But all we have to do to add a poll is to click on this button right here that says poll. Now we can add a question or ask a question to the majority of our followers and they can answer to it and interact with our poll. Let's say, and you can also add options to your poll. Let's say, you can also add music, text, and once you're done, all you have to do is to add this to your story and people or close friend of yours can interact to your poll. So that's how to create a poll on Instagram story.